Hey, good morning everybody. It's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams. Today is Sunday. Yesterday we are continuing our house hunt and we went up to Valencia to check out a house. It's actually a 4-bedroom, 4CR. It's a big house, it's a big yard, and it was pretty nice except there were a few qualifiers. One of them being the water up in Valencia isn't that great, so they actually need a pressure tank. A pressure tank only costs about 500 bucks. You can get the pump and the tank for about 500 US dollars, and it provides really high pressure throughout the whole house. The other issue was paint. The house needs paint. Paint isn't that expensive. Labor here isn't that expensive. So you do the paint and you get a water tank in there, and it's actually a really nice house. Now this house as is right now is 20,000 pesos, but if they actually painted the whole interior, cleaned everything up, and installed the water system, they could easily get like 35,000 for this. Again, it's 4 bedrooms, it's 4 CRs, it's huge. Check it out. This is something that you could actually talk to a landlord about. This is one thing you can do in the Philippines. The landlord is OFW. He's living in another country. His sister, who lives nearby, is actually managing the property. So you could probably work something out about installing the water tank and getting the painting done. But if he did that himself, again, he could get 35,000 easy, maybe 40,000 for this place. So without any further ado, here's another example of you got to maintain the property, you got to paint it, and check out the video of our house hunting adventure yesterday up in Valencia. Hey, good morning everybody. Today is Saturday and I am checking out a house up here in Valencia, and it's pretty interesting and I want you to share the experience with me. Okay, so here's the gate. I'm not going to tell you what barangay this is in. And here is the front yard. This is very nice. Friendship palm, nicely landscaped. Big yard, and there's the house. It's a nice house, and this is the little area out here for sitting, having your tea. Gonna have some tea, coffee tea or me. And the landscaping is very nice. Landscaping is very nice, and the house is huge. So this is basically a 4-bedroom, 4-bath house. You get your carport here. Like many areas in Valencia right now, they have problems with their water. So they have a cistern. And that's what this big concrete device is right here. It's mountain water basically. And you can see it's going in that hose. You put that hose into here, and that's how you fill up the cistern. So it's freezing cold mountain water. And they got fish down here. Nice. Let's go check it out. Apologize for the darkness. All right, this is the first floor, and this is the first bedroom. He's using, the present tenant is a foreigner, and he's using it as an office. And so this is the first bedroom, and you got your bath here. I know it's really dark. Now the downsides of this place, again, due to the water situation, there's no hot showers because you just don't have the water pressure for it. We'll talk more about that in a minute. This is like the living room area. The place is unfurnished. It's not furnished, so you have to have your own furnishings. There's also like a little foyer thing over here. Same one. And here's the kitchen area. Again, apologies for the bad lighting, but I just didn't want to go around and turn on the lights. Got a nice little kitchen, cabinets, big table. This table comes with the house. This is his Samsung refrigerator, so it doesn't come with the house. You got like a dirty kitchen cleaning area right here. You get another bath right here, and this is where he takes his showers. And he uses Cabo, which is basically, you got the little pail, bucket and the pail, and you get your scooper, and you take a shower that way. This is a storage area. Out back here, this is the backyard. It's enclosed with chicken wire. So you can have a pig over there if you want. Do some barbecuing over here. Not too shabby. And there's just like more food prep. Another sink over here. And back to the cistern. So this is a big house. Now this would be a great house to like buy and renovate. All you need for the hot water showers is maybe you could talk to the landlord, who the guy says is very cool, and they have a nice staircase here right in the middle. He says the landlord is very cool, and maybe you could install a pressure tank. You can get a decent, really good, decent water tank system for about $500 US. And that's not the gravity one, it's actually a pressure tank. This is the main bedroom right here. And there's a bathroom, but again, no shower because of the water pressure issues. And this is a nice bathroom actually. And another nice selling point here. He doesn't use air conditioning here. There's a balcony out here. Very nice. Not too shabby at all. I just might have locked myself outside. Gotta check that out. Nope, okay. It's also got fiber optic. He's got PLDT fiber optic here already. And again, there's the main bedroom. Little hallway here with two little Filipino-sized bedrooms. And the other one is green. They love these colors. And that aircon doesn't work. And you can't see it because of the Indonesia haze right now, because of all the fires in Indonesia. But there's Mount Tolinas. And here's another bathroom. But again, no shower because of the water pressure issue. So that's basically it. They want $20,000 for this. It's going to be available at the end of October. If you want to check it out, you can email me at myphilippinedreams@gmail.com, and I can give you the guy's number. Also, there's no screens in the windows, and a lot of places don't have security grates. A lot of the windows on the first floor. All right, so that's that. Ooh, that's a nice. I like this. This is Ned over My Philippine Dreams. I'll see you next time. And again, if you're interested in checking the place out, just message me on email, myphilippinedreams@gmail.com. Peace. So that's the video. Again, this is a great opportunity for maybe negotiating something. If you're looking for a big place, you've got a family or something, you need a lot of space, this would be a perfect place for you. If you're interested, email me over at myphilippinedreams@gmail.com. There's no S in Philippines, so it's myphilippinedreams over at gmail.com, and I'll get you in contact with the owner. Until next time, this is Bridget, and I am Ned, and we are My Philippine Dreams. Bye. Right? Yeah. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.